What's going on, y'all? Look at what we did. We fried some Cornish hens today. Pickle brine came out terrific. So tasty. But anyway, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So the first thing we need to do, we need to go ahead and take this Cornish hen and cut it in half, y'all. So we're gonna go straight down the breastplate till we get it opened up. And then we're gonna remove any excess fat that we don't want to eat, or any of the bits that you just don't want. Once we get it cleaned up, we're gonna go ahead and finish cutting it in half. After we get it all cleaned up and cut up, we're gonna get into a pan. Now I'm using a pan today because I don't want to use a whole lot of pickle juice. So once we get it in our pan, we want to make sure that the hen itself lays flat. So if you have to crush that bone, that breast bone plate, go ahead, because I had to do mine. And then we just simply gonna add our pickle juice. Now use a pickle juice that you enjoy. I'm using sweet butter pickles for my pickle juice. And every 30 minutes, you need to give this a flip. Now we're gonna leave this in brine for about 2 hours. And that's gonna give us a good flavor and make that meat really tender. So after the 2 hours, we want to make sure that we rinse our meat off, rinse all that brine off, and we're gonna get it on our cutting board and take a look at what we got, y'all. Take a look at what we got. So now, of course, it's time to rain on 'em. Gotta hit them with a little pepper, some garlic powder, and some seasoning oil, y'all. Now I'm using Lawry's today, but you can use whatever kind you like. Now after we get that seasoned up, we're gonna go ahead and get our oil into our cast iron skillet. Now you want to pour that about halfway, and then we're gonna dredge our Cornish hen while that oil is heating up to 350 degrees. Now when doing your dredge, make sure that every piece of that Cornish hen is covered in flour, y'all. Make sure you get every nook and cranny. And then we gonna go and get into that hot oil, y'all. 350 degrees, y'all. 350 degrees. Now we gonna fry this Cornish hen until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Now, approximately 4 minutes from once I put this in, it's time to give it a flippy flip. So my cooking time was 8 minutes total. But you have to understand that you want to go by that internal temperature, y'all. And of course you had to fry both pieces. And like I say, with that internal temperature, it's got to be 165 when you take it out, y'all. But take a look at that good, crispy, fried Cornish hen, y'all. Don't it look good? I'm ready to eat, y'all. I'm ready to eat. So let's go ahead and plate up. Now I had mine with some corn. And oh yeah, look at that, y'all. Oh man, I done pulled the bone out the chicken. But that's alright. That just lets you know it's nice, tender, and juicy. But anyway, check out that piece of chicken. Don't it look good? Let's give it a taste, y'all. Let's get a taste. Here go a nice shot of that tasty corn. Mm-hmm. I know y'all see I ate good that day. And of course, had to have me a tater with it. So yummy. So yummy. And just to make that trifecta, that combo, gotta get a combo bite. A little bit of corn, some Cornish hen, and a piece of that potato. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, y'all. So tasty, y'all. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.